Okay, Jakes, just stay on. I want to, get Prashant into the conversation as well. He's actually walked over to the big wall to talk about really what has been the story of the hour that's caused a stir on the Reliance stock as well. Jio Financial Services will be listing on the 21st of August. Prashant, take it away. I mean, in terms of what we can expect and how this will play out.
Well, so, the stock makes its debut and lists on Monday, that is the 21st. Remember, the price discovery for Jio Financial Services happened, around a month ago, a little more than that. The price which was found for Jio Financial Services in that session was 261 rupees and 85 paise per share. So when it starts trading on Monday, this basically will be the floor in the sense that, it'll be calculated on the basis of this particular price. That's point number one. So it's like a regular price discovery like it happens for a new listing, for a new IPO. At 10 o'clock, it'll start trading on the exchanges. Just a quick check on numbers, right? I mean, this is something we put out earlier as well. This is the equity capital. That is the discovered price. The implied market cap for Jio Financial is about 1.66 lakh odd crores or so. Of course, once it gets to the market, we'll find out what the market wants to ascribe in terms of a value one way or the other. What happens after Monday? What happens after listing? Stock will be removed from all the indices. Remember, Jio Financial all this while has been the 51st stock on both the 51st stock on the Nifty and 31st stock on the Sensex 30. But it's been quoting at a constant value of that 261.5. It's not been trading. But starting Monday, it will be trading, right? Jio Financial will be trading. So listing on Monday, and the third day, which is Wednesday evening, it will be removed from the indices. This on the condition that for 2 days it does not hit any circuits. I mean, the stock does not hit any circuits. If it is, then you go into another 3-day cycle. But once it is removed, it can then make it back into indices depending on the index eligibility criteria. It's a market cap, liquidity, etc., etc. We just had the half-yearly review, earlier this week. The next actual review will only, I think, happen early next year. But it could happen earlier as well if some stock goes out, etc. So we'll see. The other thing is, this is, again, just a quick look at what the sum of the parts value for Jio Financial works out to. Something that I put out earlier, but I updated because a bulk of Reliance Jio Financial Services value comes from the 6.1% treasury shares it holds in Reliance Industries. So the value, including that 6.1% plus the core net worth, which is the amount of money Reliance has put into Jio Financial Services, minus the cost of that 6.1%. So you add that to the 6.1% stake, taking a 3 times multiple, it works out to 1,37,000 crores. Let's go to the next graphic. It'll tell you that the sum of the parts total works out to 1.37 lakh crores or so. So this is, the short point in terms of how things will pan out. Remember, the listing is this Monday, 21st, and then on the 28th is the Reliance Industries AGM, which is a very important event in the RIL calendar, where, of course, we will wait to hear in terms of Reliance's plans for most businesses, but in particular for the newest entrant into the stock market, which is Jio Financial Services. So that's the listing. Jakes is still with us. Jakes, any thoughts?